The AI's multimodal capabilities, GPT-5 could allow robots to perform simple tasks like cooking and cleaning, or even more advanced tasks that only humans can do. But this, however, has a huge downside, because it could lead to huge job losses. Also, AI-powered robots could one day try to eliminate all humans and take over the planet like the movie Terminator portrays. AI development. Earlier on this video, I mentioned that GPT-5 will be powerful enough to create smaller AI models to perform specific tasks. Some people predict that at a certain point, GPT-5 will be so advanced that it will be able to create other smaller versions of itself to handle specific tasks. These networks of smaller AI will combine themselves to make GPT-5 more powerful than any other system on Earth.